Hello,
Hello,
how are you doing?
my name is Kakwas.
Sweet name, Kakvat.
Kakwas.
Yeah, your name is very sweet.
You funny. Who's funny? You funny. You put your foot in your butt. You funny. Put your foot in your butt.
How
On
you
the safe
funny?
side. What?
Uh, he writes you funny. How you funny? He
I don't
understand.
know. I don't know. But anyway, crazy.
He's great.
So non-estrogenic, valerian, motherwort, chaste tree berry, ginseng. That's why I fucks with it.
Ah,
Shepherd's purse and yarrow. Okay, that's why I mix the sea moss with ginseng specifically because it does not have the estrogen that other things have. So we're not.
great.
Hello.
How are you doing?
Yeah, I am keeping you out.
How's it